Today we'll talk about one of my favorite stock, which is Trade Desk. We'll cover two advanced option trading topics. One is straddle, other one is strangle. So, you know, one of my favorite stock is Trade Desk, and Trade Desk is a digital advertising play. So we are on September 1st, 2020, and as you can see here, we are done with the earnings, so that's out of the way. And implied volatility is a little bit on the lower side of the house. Obviously understood because it's just after the earnings. And relative strength is really good. It's a strong bullishness indicator, kind of hitting over bought territory as it goes into the higher range. And if you look at the DMI, the DI plus is on the upside and DI minus is on the lower side, which is a bullishness indicator. ADX is going up, which is again bullish. And if you look at the on the balance volume, it's again going up, which is again bullish here. And if you look at the Chaplin money flow is a little bit on the negative side. It's going down a little bit. So this is where the bullishness of the RSI and the DMI and on the balance volume diverge from the bearishness of Chaplin money flow. So with this, we really don't know what way this particular stock will go, and we really know Trade Desk is not a low flying stock; it's a high flying stock. It will not keep quiet; it will go up explosively or go low explosively. So with this, our favorite strategy is really buying long straddle and long strangle. Let's give it a shot here, and let's go to Trade Desk. Stock is around 494. Let's go to the 494. Close enough is 500. I will basically go buy a 500 long straddle, and right here, and we are giving it plenty of time. As you can see, 136 days out. Expiration is 15th January. Right now it's 147.90. We have to pay around $14,700. Let's go confirm and send. And when we're at it, we'll also buy a strangle, so that way let's see how that goes too. So with that, I will go buy a strangle right here. So with the strangle, let's sell 30 delta, which is a standard way. So on the put side, 30 delta puts it into 430 put. So let's go select 430 here. And on the call side, 30 delta will put us into right here 640. Let's sell a 640 call. All right, so we are paying around, we are actually buying both, sorry for that. So we are paying around $69, which is $6,900, confirm and send. So with this, just to, for us to test some things, I will also sell a strangle here just to collect some money if we can. But I would not recommend selling strangle at this point, especially because the IV is low. So just to prove, why we should not sell strangle when IV is low, let me sell a strangle here, 496, shorter term strangle, 45 days to expiration. Let's go to 500 here, which 495, close enough. Let's sell a near term strangle. There you go. And with this, we'll select a 30 delta as usual, 455 put. So let's select 455. And the call side, 30 delta will put us into right here, which is 555. So let's sell 555. There you go. We are collecting $38 and which is $3,800, as you can see. Send. Good. So now what we'll do is just to recall or summarize what we've done so far. We sold a long straddle, January 21 expiration, 136 days to expiration. We sold a long strangle, which is 136 days to expiration, expiring on 15th January 2021. And we also sold a shorter term strangle to collect some premium, 45 days out. For that, we collected $3,800. So with this, let's go into 16th of October to see how our short-term strangle did. 16th of October, and remember, we said it's not a good idea to sell strangle because IV was really low. So with that, let's go to chart as it's buffering here. So as you can look at the chart, we are on 16th of October now. The IV implied volatility is actually picked up a lot, which is not a good sign for our short strangle that we sold. And it's a good sign for our long straddles and long strangles that we bought. So with that, let's go into our short strangle that we sold. As you can see here, we bought it at 30, sold it at 38. Right now it's at 53. We lost some money, especially because implied volatility, basically spiked up. Let's go and close this out. All right. So good thing is we also bought longer term strangles and straddles, and let's see how it's doing. Let's go all the way back to December and try to see if we made any money on them. I will choose December 29th here and hit go. And in the meantime, as it's buffering, let's go into chart. As you can look at the chart here, let's just to sum up. So trade desk has gone down in value last couple of days. It's almost hitting 100-day moving average at this point, which is a little bit bearish sign, as you can see. IV implied volatility is kind of spiking up at this point, as you can see here, and clearly DI plus is trending lower, which is a bad sign or a bearish sign, I would say. And Chaplin money flow is going down, so it is again not a good sign for the stock. So let's go and see how we have done in our long straddle and long strangle. So long straddle, we sold it for 147, and right now it's 328. We made a very good amount of money here. Let's go close that out. Good. And let's go into our long strangle and see. Okay, here also we did a very good amount of money. We sold at 69. It's 189. So let's go close that out. All right. Just to summarize, we have a lot of high-flying stocks, especially after a huge run-up, and we don't know which way it will go, whether it will go up or go down. And in these situations, especially when IV is very low, like we saw in Trade Desk back in September 1st, favorite strategy is to buy longer term straddles and strangles. Straddles, if you can afford, it's a little pricey. Strangles is a little bit lesser pricey because you're buying a 30 delta type, call and put. So with that, the moment you do that, you don't need to worry about which direction stock will go. It can go too much high, too much low. You'll still make money. If the stock stays the same, then you'll lose money. So especially stocks like trade desk, they are not known to sit quiet. They'll move upside or downside tremendously. So with that, hope long straddle strategy is understood well. Please let me know if there's any questions below in the comment. Happy trading. Thank you.